Hello.
You think I fucking care?
Do it right or do it twice. Let's get dirty. It's a fine morning, brisk fall morning in the dirty garage. Lots of magic gonna happen today. I'm gonna finish up on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the other side over there. And I have an idea how to replicate the curve there. We'll see how that works. Cool little toy I got. It's a roller and I just realized the way I put it in, I can't. Dumbass. Anyway, let's try this way. Hey, all right. I'll roll that in there. Put a little pressure on it. Anyway, what I'm trying to do is get this piece of stock to curve to match the curvature of the back of the truck. Get in there a little bit more. We're gonna do this, guys. It's gonna be awesome. This is like my second time using this, so I'm sure I'm doing all sorts of things wrong. Alright, so after a bunch of fiddle you-know-whatting around, I'm playing the fiddle I'm talking about. There's kids watching. I have found the curvature of the trim piece. I've marked it, we're going to cut it, and then we're going to use it as a guide on one side, and then the other. Like that. Get it? Got it? Good. I don't know if this is the easiest way to do it, but that's the way my mind works. It's gonna be a long, drawn-out process, but we got all day, right? It's not even noon on a Saturday yet. Okay, so what I did is I made two identical ones because I really liked when I put that on there, the kind of rounded profile it gave. Probably peel this open, get that welded in there. Moving on. Putting that round stock in here made for a real nice edge. But when I did that, I don't know if this bulged out or this sunk in, and I really didn't want to do a lot of Bondo, but at least it won't be on the edge because there's a nice rigid bar here, so it shouldn't get chipped or whatever. It does drop in real nice, so we're at that point. So that's good. Hopefully this side goes a lot better. Need to slow down a little bit. So got myself a cold snack over there to try to chill out a little bit. Turn on some tunes. Let's do it. Well, still got a ways to go, but they are roughed in, and I mean rough. I'm happy with this. Got some grinding to do on here. This is in, pretty solid. Gonna need Bondo. This is in as well. Definitely needs some Bondo. Actually, what I'd really like to learn is how to lead this. That would be awesome. I gotta find a guy who knows how to lead. Good luck with that, right? But, like I said, this is my first shot at it. Minimal instruction. I've had some good pointers that came through, either on YouTube or by friends. I cannot express enough times that this is a throwaway truck. This ain't gonna be no showgirl. All the bad fab work, the dents, the rust, the bed supports, remember that? All the bad things coming full circle to look like absolute garbage, but I'm gonna know what to do on my next project. I think I'm about ready to unbury this. I'm actually getting kind of the itch to do so because I have another vehicle that needs to come in here, but that'll be later video and no one really cares. I know there was a question in the comments from Justin, one of my viewers, that asked if the bed fits right, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna put it on pretty soon, and it's been 6 months. See that? It's so terrible. I don't even have a watch. That was supposed to be a watch. Instead of being on workhorses, have it on the truck for a while. And I think if this is actually on there, there's gonna be an increase in motivation, yada, yada, yada. So today's goal, I need to clean all that stuff off the truck, get the bed on the truck. I gotta turn that truck around because I gotta do the driver's side, cab corner, and rocker panel. The truck won't start, mostly because it doesn't have a battery in it. And I don't have a spare battery because the battery I took out is dead. It hasn't ran in probably years since I parked it. With the patina that was starting to form on here, and I didn't feel like messing with that, I had to wire brush it and then shoot some primer over it. But looking goodish. To be honest, I think I'm gonna need a little more than this little guy here, but it sinks where the weld is, and then it bows out right here, so I gotta get that to be all one. So away we go. Well, we're gonna call that a win. All right, as predicted, I'm gonna need some body shims to get that back up, lined up, but it's better than sitting too high. Now to spinner. So this side of the bed sits a little high. You see that there. But the other side sits low. So what I'm anticipating is that when I shim up the other side, it'll even out. But bed's back on. We're good for now. Keep on mini trucking.